Welcome to next video in the C tutorials. In the previous video, we have seen this one-dimensional array. So this is the all about the stuff related to one-dimensional array. Let us move to two-dimensional array. In that, we have said that array is a single variable which is capable of storing multiple values. So like it is a collection of multiple values into a single variable. So now two-dimensional array means we can compare with like matrix. See, this is the example. So this is the example which is looking like matrix. Like you can say it has 2 rows and 4 columns, which is known as 2 cross 4 matrix. Now for two-dimensional purpose, we need to take two square brackets like this. So in this, number of columns like 4, and here number of rows 2 cross 4 matrix this is. So 2 and 4 I have placed like this. So similarly thing I am declaring here also integer of 2 cross 2 of 2 and 4. So I have declared like this, and I want to push the data from the output side. For that purpose I am using scanf statement. Before that I am advising a user like here I have advised the user like this. Now scanning of this two-dimensional array is going to somewhat interest. Like we need a requirement of loops. So I am giving a for loop. I have declared a variable for this I, and I am giving another variable like j, or you can give any another variable also. So at very first it is starting with index number 0. So I am declaring the value of I with 0, and at outer loop, so here we requirement of here we are taking two loops. At outer loop I am giving first row, second row like this. So the rows containing only 2, which is of index 0 and 1 for the rows, so which is less than 2 only. So again I plus plus. Now at inner loop I am giving j j which is which j which relates to columns like j which is less than fourth index j plus plus. Now in this I am scanning that elements, scanf percentage d ampersand a of I and j. So now if I run the program, you can see enter the elements of array. I am giving 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So you can check out here it is successfully taking. Suppose I want to print the values in this format. See, I have given like this. I am printing in this format like a of something index number 0 comma 0, which is equals to of something value. So I am giving like this. So if I run this, so similarly I am printing with like this example. So if I run this, it is again asking the values. I am giving same numbers. See here it is printing successfully. Like at 0th row, 0th column, the value of 10 is going to store. At 0th row and first column, the value of 20 is going to store. Similarly with all other things.